Hello everyone, welcome to HB Tutorial. Now, in this modern world, we have so many digital gadgets like smartwatch, tablet, mobile phone and so on. But the greatest invention of mankind is paper. Can you imagine a day without paper? No, we cannot even imagine a single day without paper. We need paper even for the simplest thing. If there was no paper, you would have no files, no books, no paper roll, and not even the most valuable thing, no money. Let's celebrate 1st August as India's Paper Day. To know more about paper and its history, make sure to watch till the end. Paper is tiny fibers filtered together. These tiny fibers are small particles of cellulose that come from framework of plants. Papers are recyclable, biodegradable and sustainable. Ancient Egyptians about 4,000 years ago used papyrus sheets as their writing material. This was made from stem of papyrus plant. First peeled, then flattened them and pressed them in crisscross manner and dried it. These were the Egyptian papyrus sheet. Ancient Indians also used birch bark, palm leaves, stone and stone walls for writing. But these are not papers. The credit of paper making goes to China. In the year 105, a man named Kailun in the Han Dynasty prepared paper with the help of bamboo stems. Process of paper making changes from time to time. Later, papers were prepared from mulberry bark, hemp, rags with water. Mashed it into a pulp, pressed the liquid and hung the thin mat to dry in the sun. During 8th century Arabian countries, now Syria, Iraq and Saudi Arabia learned the secret of paper making and took it to Europe. The first paper mill was built in Spain. Later, it spread all over Europe. Over 800 years, paper was used for printing important books, Bibles, and legal documents. In the late 15th century, England began making large supplies of paper and supplied it to its colonies. The first American paper mill was built in Pennsylvania in 1690. At first, American paper mills used Kailun's method of making paper like rags and clothes. But these were too costly, so they turned up to wood, which was much more cheaper. India's first paper mill was built in Serampur, Bengal in 1812, but failed because of lack of demand of paper. First machine-made paper mill was built in Bali near Calcutta in 1870. The first handmade eco-friendly paper mill was built in India on the year 1940, August 1st, in Pune. The paper for the first true copy of the Indian Constitution was written and printed on the paper manufactured at this unit. To remember the contribution of this paper mill towards our Constitution, FPTA, Federation of Paper Traders Association of India, declared this as Paper Day. Today's paper is made from trees mostly grown on working forests and tree-covered paper. Every 3,000 papers cost us one tree. So, to save trees, we must use the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Did you know 1 ton of recycled paper can save 17 trees, 380 gallons of oil, 3 cubic yards of landfill space, 4,000 kilowatts of energy, and 7,000 gallons of water. Recycling has always been a part of paper making. When you recycle or used paper mills will use it to make new newspaper, notebook papers, paper grocery bags, paper envelopes and paper magazines, etc. 75% of the paper produced in India is made out of recycled fiber and agro waste. Use more paper, plant more trees. Thank you.